Hello and welcome back with another little video, little update. But yeah, I've got 20 chicks. But like I said on the last video, when I came into my shed this morning, as I come down to cage number 9, as you can see in the nest, there's 2 chicks, so that's 22 chicks in total so far, which is absolutely great for my first clutch. I'm happy for that, for my pairs that I've got for my first clutch. 22 so far. There's also one clutch that is at the bottom there, that's sitting, that's still got a chip in a few days. So you think now is a bonus for my first clutch. 22 chicks in total. I would have had 23, but obviously one had passed away. It was on the bottom there. I think the mother had kicked out the nest by mistake. But as we go down the bottom of the shed, as you can see, they've all got clean perches, which I've cleaned out. And obviously, as you can see there in the video, which I'm trying to get, is obviously the chicks getting fed off the more, which is great to see, and a good time of the day to see as well, which I'm trying to find it quite difficult to do but record at the same time. This will go down to cage number 10. They'll be ready in a few days to chip out. So there's 2 pairs just to chip out, ready to chip out. There's 2 canaries in there, 2 canary chicks. There's 3 canary chicks in there. As you can see in cage number 9, there's 2 in there. 2 there, and there's still 3 to chip. So we'll come up with a red pair, cage number 8. Four healthy chicks in there. 4 healthy chicks. 3 healthy chicks in there. As we come up to cage number 6, which is the yellow pair. As you can see in here, there's 3 chicks. As you come down to these 2 here, 2 red dimorphic chicks. As we come along here to the actual pair. I don't know if you can see in the nest, it's quite hard. This is what I don't like to disturb as well, is that. It's made a nest. So we've let the cock across to see if it'll serve the hen. As you can see, it's got 1 egg. And let's just hope that they're fertile. So as we go back down my shed there, 3 chicks in there. They're ready to pop, like a crack or a chip. 2 at the back there, got 3 into here. Obviously we've got 2 there. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. That's another little video there for you. What I like to do is just sit in the house and watch me the CCTV camera, as you can see there on the wall, on every gauge, so I don't disturb my birds. But yeah, if you've liked what you've seen, and I've got 22 chicks for my first clutch for the pairs that I've got. But yeah, if you want to smash that like button, hit that share, and I'll keep you posted. Good night.